Do it right. Good. Let him go. Now look at his hindquarters and climb the rope a little. Look at it. Look at it. Good. And release. All right, back him out and do it again. Go ahead. Okay, switch hands, go the other way. Lead it. Lift it. Good. Look at his hindquarters. Bring him in. Good.